It's Monday, March 2nd. Crude is surging as the Strait of Hormuz goes dark and Qatar LNG goes offline. WTI is trading at $72.21, up 7.7%. Brent is at $79.24, up 8.7%, one of the sharpest single-session moves in years. Henry Hub is also catching a bid at $2.98, up 4.3%. Chevron declared force majeure at Israel's Leviathan gas field on government orders, pulling a key eastern Mediterranean supply source offline at the worst possible moment. OPEC Plus announced a production increase over the weekend, but analysts at Wood Mackenzie are already calling it moot. Extra barrels that can't clear Hormuz don't move markets. Talos Energy deepened its Q4 losses to $76.5 million adjusted, as production slipped and realized prices fell, a reminder of how thin margins were heading into this crisis. Cosmos Energy posted Q4 revenues of $295 million on nearly 68,000 barrels equivalent per day, and came in 25% below CAPEX guidance, while raising $600 million in fresh capital. Equinor is exploring the sale of several Angolan fields, a portfolio cleanup move that raises the question of whether buyers right now see opportunity or distraction. Total Energies is moving toward a 20-year LNG offtake deal from Alaska LNG, and with Qatar offline, Pacific-facing supply with zero Middle East exposure just got a lot more strategic. Ukrainian drones struck the Novorossiysk crude export terminal on Russia's Black Sea coast, setting a storage depot ablaze, adding one more fracture point to an already broken global logistics network. The one to watch, the Qatar LNG shutdown. Qatar ships roughly 77 million tons of LNG per year, top 2 globally. Iranian drone strikes have halted that entirely. Goldman Sachs is flagging 130% upside to spot LNG prices. Asia and Europe are scrambling. And for U.S. producers in the Haynesville and Marcellus feeding LNG export terminals, this is a demand signal the market hasn't seen in years. Watch feed gas nominations and basis differentials closely this week. Full analysis at AFE Leaks.substack.com. Subscribe for the daily briefing.